Are you looking to update your home with some fresh tile ideas for 2024? Look no further, as we've got you covered with the top tile trends for the upcoming year. First up, geometric tiles are set to make a big splash in 2024. Whether in bold colors or more subtle hues, geometric patterns add a modern touch to any space. Next, terrazzo tiles are making a comeback in a big way. This versatile material can be used on floors, walls, and even countertops, adding a unique and stylish look to your home. If you're a fan of a more natural look, wood look tiles are the perfect choice for you. These tiles mimic the warmth and texture of real wood, without the maintenance that comes with it. And finally, for those who want to make a statement, oversized tiles are the way to go in 2024. These larger tiles can create a feeling of luxury and sophistication in any room. So there you have it, the top tile ideas for 2024. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more home decor tips and trends.